What is up, everybody? ようこそ皆さん。Welcome back. 戻ってきてありがとうございました。we are going to be removing the cylinder from, the cylinder from the rest of the gun. So, what we need to do, シリンダーを外すから、こっちのピンですね。So this little pin right here, we'll need to remove that here. So, in order for us to do that, we will need to remove the trigger guard. トリガーガードを外さないと、こっちをなんか全部外してできないから。I take your Phillips プラス取って、ただ、この一つのネジを外すだけです。Just take this one screw out. And that is it. And you do have the spacer here, so be careful with that, just like dropping all your stuff. So then you just go ahead and pop that. これをただ取るだけで。あれ、そっか、忘れた。I completely forgot. 一つ忘れたことは the spacer, this plastic spacer that comes in most VSRs. この東京マルイVSRs、このスペーサーを外すの忘れないでね。And then we'll just take this and put it to the side. これを横に置くだけで。And this is your cylinder and sleeve. So this ring will actually fit right in there. こっちにこのリングが入りますね。And now to remove everything from inside. それで中からこれ全部外しましょうね。So what you can do, it's a little notch here. こっちの部分で take an Allen key and you could just twist.Okay guys, sorry for that weird cut. すいませんですね。皆さん、ちょっと変な切り方しちゃってね。So, one thing I did forget about the Tokyo Marui VSR-10 is they have anti-tamper things going on there. So, VSR の東京マルイのバージョンって、ちょっといじりにくいのなんかセーフティーみたいな感じで入れてることがあるので、so this little thing there is the little anti-touchy mechanism. So what I actually did to get this nozzle off is I took a drill and drilled through that little pin there. So you can see right here, it's where the pin would be if this were still on there. ドリル取ってこっちのノズルの部分を削って取ってできるためね。So でこっちにそのピンね、これに似てるピンがついてますので、and then I just took a regular wrench, an adjustable wrench, and an Allen key. Popped it into the spacer here. ただのレンチとこのアレンキーを取って、and then placed it like so. こういう感じね。Make sure it's in that hole there, and then I just twisted. ただこのキーをこっちの穴に入れて、そういう今さっき見せたようにやったら外れてできますね。So when you first do it, it's going to be very tough to pull this thing off. 初めやるときに結構強く置かれてるから取るのちょっと難しくなりますね。So after that, if you guys want, we can take a look at the internals. これが東京マルイの VSR の中身ですね。So you have a plastic spring guide. プラスチックのスプリングガイドね。M90 spring. M90 のスプリングですね。The piston is plastic and it looks like pot metal. ちょっとプラスチックと鉄が混ざってますね。And to put into perspective for between the M90 and the M110, M90 と M110 の違さを見せましょうね。This is the Tokyo Marui VSR-10 stock spring, and this is the Novritsch SSG-10 M110 spring. これが VSR で入ってきたやつで、これがナブリッジの SSG-10 10のスプリングですね。大きさは結構変わりますね。This is the Novritsch spring guide. This looks and feels like CNC'd aluminum. で、これがアルミニアムで作られてますね。ナブリッジのやつね。So, big weight difference, obviously. 重さの違さ結構ありますね。And difference there, not much to show. And this looks and feels like all CNC'd aluminum. で、これは全部アルミで作られてますね。And you can see the difference between these two here. これの2つの違さを見てできますね。And then we come to removing the bolt handle. So all you need is your Allen key and you just remove that. で、これはそのまま取りますね。で、and there are two pieces to the guy here. So, で、ダブルの部分ありますね。So there's a spring in here. こっち見えなかったか。で、ね、ダブル2つのピースですね。There is a spring in here, so be careful when pulling it off. こっちの中でスプリングがありますので、ちょっと外すとき気をつけてね。And the old VSR piston sleeve here. It's quite loose actually. これ結構揺れてますので、ちょっと聞こえますかな？ And I think you guys could hear it. So this has seen better days. これは結構、ちょっと古いですね。And it 古くなってますね。And of course, the SSG-10 fluted piston sleeve。これが SSG のピストンスリーブですね。アルミで作られてます。So this is also made from aluminum. Even the have an issue, someone throw it in the comments. これ名前忘れたからコメントに入れてください。We'll just call it a bolt rod for now, I guess. And the VSR1 is pot metal and steel, maybe aluminum, possibly. で、これがね、so wobbly, no issue. So, taking a closer view side by side, they are the same length. 同じ長さですね。So the big difference I notice is the slide here is different lengths. So, これの長さ、穴の長さが違うので、I don't think there'll be an issue, but we shall see. それで問題ないと思うけど、まあ、全部入れたときに見ましょうね。And of course, we will throw on the bolt handle real quick. それでボルトハンドルを入れましょうね。But yeah, just slides right on. Simple as that. Ooh, almost lost that there. But, there's a lip here. こっちにちょっとネジっぽいのがあるね。that will line up with inside of that there. それの中にはまりますね。That is pretty good. Give it a little twist. Yep. OK、これで全然大丈夫ですね。So I have noticed there are little bits and pieces of shaved aluminum on the inside. So I'm going to go give this a quick wash and let it dry, and then we'll go ahead and throw in all the upgraded bits. で、それで中身がちょっと削ったアルミ、これピストン作ってる時のアルミが入ってるみたいなので、これを掃除して、その中身掃除した後にまたアップグレード入れて、それでまた戻ってきますね。